Do you want to learn how to become more influential in your personal and professional life? Do you want to know how to climb the ladder of influence? Then you're in the right place. In today's fast-paced world, where competition is high and attention spans are extremely short, being influential can mean the difference between success and failure. The ladder of influence is a powerful tool that can help you understand how to climb your way to the top. The ladder of influence is a model that describes the different levels of influence we can have over others. It starts at the bottom with zero influence and then progresses upwards through several stages, each one increasing in power and impact. At the bottom of the ladder is coercion, where you have no real influence over somebody and need to resort to force or threats to get what you want. This is the least effective and least ethical form of influence. The next step up is persuasion, where you use your words and logic to convince someone to do what you want. This is a more ethical and effective way of influencing others. Above persuasion is motivation, where you inspire and encourage others to take action. This type of influence is more powerful because it taps into people's emotions and values. At the top of the ladder is inspiration, where you lead by example and inspire others to take action on their own. This is the most effective and ethical form of influence because it empowers others and creates lasting change. So, how can you climb the ladder of influence and become more influential in your life? Here are some tips. First, network and build relationships with others. The more people you know and have positive relationships with, the more influence you will have. Second, listen to others and understand their needs and motivations. This will help you tailor your message and approach to be more effective. Third, take action by leading, by example. People are more likely to follow somebody who is actively working towards their goals and leading by example. Finally, inspire and empower others to take action on their own. This will create a ripple effect and lead to lasting change. So there you have it. The ladder of influence. Whether you're trying to persuade someone in a business meeting or motivate your team to achieve their goals, understanding the different levels of influence can help you become more effective and ethical in your approach to persuading others. Climb the ladder and become a more influential person today.